Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to do an e-sign using Aadhaar Bio. First of all, this is our Esign.network page. Here you need to complete the registration process. For that, there are two options available. The first is individual based registration and the second is corporate registration. I also have a corporate registration login which I will show you next. On my dashboard, first of all, I'll show you how to do an e-sign using Aadhaar Bio. First, click on the Start Signing option to proceed. There are two options are available. The first is self-sign and the second is other signatory. So I'll go with the first one, self-sign. Here you need to see a feature that asks, do you want to lock the document after signing? If you select yes, the document will be locked after the signature is applied. If the document is modified after signing, his signature will become invalid. Here you need to select the document on which you want to apply your signature. Here you have the option to select the appearance of the signature box. I'll, I'll go with the first one, single page with single signature box. In the signature appearance, there are two options available. First is visible and the second is invisible. If you choose the visible option, the signature will appear on the document. If you choose the invisible option, the signature will still be applied and the document will remain valid, but the signature will not be visible on the document. In the signature page number field, you need to enter the page number where you want the signature to appear. We also provide additional feature in the signature of appearance, allowing you to add your location, reason for signing, and custom text to your signature. You can drag the signature box to place it exactly where you want your signature to appear on the document. Here you need to select the Aadhaar Bio Mode. On this page, you can view your profile details, document information, and the uploaded document. Then click on the signed document to continue. For Aadhaar Bio Mode, you must install the latest driver and RD services for your bio devices. Additional, install the Capricorn Bio application to connect the device for eSign. Once everything is installed and running, click on the Connect Bio Device option. On this page, once your bio device is connected, enter your Aadhaar number or VID also. Select the finger type, left, right, or other. Click on the Scan Biometric Device option to scan your fingerprint. Then click on Submit for e-signing to complete the process. Okay, now done. Once your document is e-signed, you will have the option to download it or navigate back to your dashboard. So I've already downloaded the document. Okay. So the e-sign is done through Aadhaar Bio option, and also additional feature is already appear on the signature appearance, the reason, location, and the custom text. So it's done. Thank you.